going to be a big win for our security forces. Three dreaded terrorists who have been neutralized in the upper regions of the area of Srinagar, where these three terrorists who have been killed as part of Operation Mahadev, which is underway since 7:30 in the morning yesterday. At least one of the three terrorists who have been killed is suspected to be linked to Pahalgam terror attack, in which 26 civilians were killed. Now, top Lashkar commander Suleiman Shah, who allegedly hatched the Pahalgam conspiracy and executed the terror attack, is also learned to be neutralized in this operation. Suleiman is the suspected former commander of Pak Special Forces and is believed to have received training at LET's Murid K terror camp. Now, the other two eliminated terrorists have also been identified as Abu Hamza and Muhammad Yasir. As far as this operation is also concerned, there has been a big success that is coming forward our joint forces in carrying out this operation in Jammu and Kashmir.
Indian Army has killed 3 terrorists in the Lidwan area of Dachigam. We are reporting from the same location where this operation is currently underway. Indian Army and the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police is jointly conducting and carrying out this anti-terror operation. It was started early morning today at around 7 a.m. Security forces had this input that there are around 2 to 3 terrorists who are hiding in this foresty area, and after that the operation was in fact initiated. At around 11 a.m. the security forces managed to establish contact with the hiding terrorists, and in fact as a result of which Indian Army eliminated all 3 terrorists who are in fact Pakistani terrorists and suspected to be affiliated with the same group, PRF, that in fact carried out the Baisaran Pahalgam attack. We're also learning from the sources that they could be the ones who were involved in the attack. So as of now, the security forces are carrying out this search operation in the area, and in fact, this is big success for the security forces, particularly after this operation in fact Sindoor. We had seen since the beginning of this Shri Amarnath Ji Yatra, security forces had started extensive search operations in forest areas of Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Kashmir Valley, to flush out hiding terrorists. And now we are getting the information that in fact this is officially confirmed that 3 Pakistani terrorists stand eliminated, and the search operation is continuing at the place where this operation is taking place. With video journalist Shafiq, this is Sohail in Lidwan, Dachigam.
Now, as far as Operation Mahadev is concerned, it is still going on, as 2 of the arrested accused who have been identified as the 3 attackers behind Pahalgam terror attack. One of them was Suleiman Shah alias Hashim Musa, who is a Pakistani national. He was involved in the terror attack case previously. As per sources, Suleiman Shah was involved in the killing of 7 employees of the construction firm back in October 2024. Now, Times Now, which is also accessed inside details of how Operation Mahadev was carried out. Sources suggest that the army had found a suspicious communication device in the Dachigam area this month. Now, it was suspected that it could be related to the recent terror attack in Pahalgam, and after this input was received, the joint forces then deployed several troops in the area and started an intensive search operation. Now, after continuous surveillance and search, a joint team of the 24th Battalion of the Rashtriya Rifles and the 4th Battalion of the Parachute Regiment surrounded a group of 3 terrorists at around 11:30 a.m. and in an intense firefight, all of the 3 terrorists were neutralized. However, it is not clear yet whether the terrorists killed who had a direct connection and communication device that was found earlier. Let's get in a word from Priyank now. Priyank, as far as the operation details are now concerned, of course, we are awaiting on part of the confirmation from the joint forces as far as these identities which has been established and who exactly are they and which terror outfit that they have been linked to, and if there is any link directly coming into the Pahalgam terror attack.
Very clear link according to our sources, Amitabh, because since the time that this encounter happened, we were getting information that out of these 3, 1 of the terrorists was certainly involved in the Pahalgam attack. Later to that, what we are getting to know that the 2 of the other terrorists are also said to be from Pakistan or Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and they have been a very major players in the Pahalgam attack. Till late night, what we have seen that the security forces were looking for the 4th suspect, because there was information regarding 4 to 5 terrorists hiding in Dachigam area of Srinagar. And what is very alarming, that this is not too far away from the city and not too far away from 2 to 3 very famous tourist spots, which are Shalimar Bagh as well as the other tourist locations are concerned. So it was quite clear that these terrorists were about to carry out further attacks here in the valley. We know that assault rifles, which are for make AK-47, have been recovered from the position, and there have been series of grenades also, which have been found from the position. Today, we are expecting that there could be a press conference. Yesterday, around 5 p.m., the press conference was called in by the Indian Army from the Chinar Corps, which was later on cancelled. But we are awaiting that there should be a
as far as official details of this Operation Mahadev is concerned, because 3 dreaded terrorists who have been neutralized and sophisticated arms and ammunition that has also been recovered from them where they were killed and they were neutralized. Please do stay on with us. As far as when we get you details that are now coming in of the security forces who neutralized these 3 dreaded terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Dachigam forest as part of Operation Mahadev. Among those who were killed was Suleiman, also known as Musa, alleged mastermind of the Pahalgam terror attack. However, the opposition Congress, which has raised questions over the timing of Operation Mahadev and called it suspicious where the debate was happening in New Delhi. Now, speaking to Times Now, Congress MP Imran Masood is of the opinion that he has raised questions on Operation Mahadev, asking how the Pahalgam attackers were killed just 1 hour, as far as pointing out that the issue was raised only in the morning as far as the debate in Parliament is concerned, and on the same day the terrorists were neutralized. How did that happen? That question is now being raised by the opposition.
आज ही तो सवाल उठाए, आज ही मार दिया। इतनी तेज चल रहा है तो पीओके पे कब्जा कर लिए होते ना। ये काम तो पीओके पे कब्जा करके समझ में आता कि पीओके पे कब्जा होता हमारा। गौरव जी ने, राजनाथ सिंह जी ने बयान दिया था पार्लियामेंट में। राजनाथ सिंह जी ने 1 घंटे के भाषण के अंदर एक भी बार ये नहीं बता पाए कि पहलगाम के आतंकी को क्या क्या था, और गौरव गोगोई साहब ने उसके ऊपर सवाल खड़ा किया और 1 ही घंटे के अंदर सारा का सारा काम। वाह!
तो आपको लग रहा है कि मतलब ऑपरेशन महादेव जो हुआ है जिसमें 3 आतंकी मारे गए हैं उस पे आप सवाल उठा रहे हैं, या
कोई सवाल नहीं उठा रहा हूँ? मैं उस पर सवाल नहीं उठा रहा हूँ। मैं तो जो जयंत पांडा साहब ने कहा पार्लियामेंट के अंदर, तो इतनी तेजी के साथ कैसे आइडेंटिफाई भी हुए और पता भी चल गया और आपने पार्लियामेंट में 1 मिनट में बता भी दिया। मैं तो ये पूछ रहा हूँ। हालांकि अगर इतनी तेजी के साथ मारे तो हमें पीओके पे कब्जा होता ना, हमारा समझ में आता हमारी।
Well, earlier in Parliament, BJP MP Baijan Banda also acknowledged that Operation Mahadev, confirming that